that was fucked up. Wish a bitch would have told me something like that. Nah, you can go ahead and put that suitcase back. Cause goddamn, I'm finna be out of here soon. Let's go ahead and lay it down. You're open it up. We out here.
You know how we get one train. Anything real better than the one train. Well, I got one brain, so I'm in the game. And I hope me and my niggas get in the game. The thing recording, and I'm scorching. And everybody wanna see me pass the torch to them, but they just pass the torch to us. I'm talking about the old school, and I hope these other niggas know that we ain't cool. Fuck y'all niggas, I tell that with a passion. And I'm outlasting all these niggas who asking, why is he rapping? Nigga, I ain't trapping, I'm just snapping. Passing to my bro K100. And you know he always keep that shit always honest to the 100. And I don't give a fuck, and I ain't got no hundreds. I hope I have it soon. That's all I gotta say.
I hope I have them soon. They call me K100 cause the flow is hot as June. Noon. I rap to the fucking sunset, and I'm just reminiscing on this fucking girl that I met. She told me to text, then she stopped. I was like, damn, I wanted her to meet the pops. I'm fucking around. Got my nigga T-Mac, we playing around.
Niggas like us to run the town. And I see you hold the shit down.
Yup.
Yeah, nigga, my niggas got the crowds, man, talking about the just because y'all niggas just some clowns. Like,
Yeah.
niggas just laughing at you. Instead of real niggas, our niggas just laughing at you. Even though you kinda happy we apart before you clapping my hands at you, nigga, you got your hands up.
That's all y'all niggas get, a little one train preview.